Want to create videos with just text? Meet HeyGen, the tool that lets you turn your ideas into engaging video content in minutes. Perfect for content creators, marketers, and anyone who needs video on the fly. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing platform for video creation, HeyGen. Imagine writing your ideas and watching them turn into high-quality videos instantly. From explainer videos to product showcases, HeyGen has something for everyone. Let's jump in and see how it works. What is HeyGen? HeyGen is an innovative AI tool designed to transform written text into dynamic video content. With just a few clicks, you can take your script or message and turn it into a professional video, saving time and money on production. Key features of HeyGen: text to video conversion. HeyGen takes your text and creates a video with lifelike avatars that speak your script naturally. Perfect for explainer videos, tutorials, and more. Customizable avatars and backgrounds. Want a unique look? Choose from different avatars and backgrounds that match your brand. You can also upload your own images or videos to customize even further. Voice variety and language options. Whether you need a friendly tone or a more formal voice, HeyGen offers multiple voice styles and languages to fit your needs. Why HeyGen is a game changer. Time and cost efficient. Forget spending hours or paying high production costs. With HeyGen, you create videos quickly without breaking the bank. Perfect for multilingual content. With HeyGen, creating content in multiple languages has never been easier. Reach a global audience effortlessly with their language options. How to use HeyGen. Sign up for HeyGen. Visit HeyGen.com and sign up for an account. It's quick and easy, and you'll have access to all the tools you need. Type your script. Write out your script or message in the text box. HeyGen's AI will do the hard work for you. Choose your video options. Pick your avatar, background, and voice preferences. Customize as much or as little as you'd like. Generate and download. Hit the Generate button, and your video is ready to download and share. Personal review. I've been testing out HeyGen, and it's honestly impressive. It's ideal for creating quick professional videos without the need for a full production team. If you're a creator or business owner, I highly recommend trying HeyGen. Conclusion. So that's a look at HeyGen. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or marketer, this tool can elevate your video game effortlessly. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What would you use HeyGen for? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.